Hey guys, welcome to another market review video of my YouTube channel. So this is the Excel chart, weekly chart. Let's show the drawings. Here are the drawings. So this was the fair value gap, weekly fair value gap. The week before this couldn't actually dip down to this fair value gap. Okay, but if we notice, here is the weekly candles week. This week measure this 50% of this week, consequent encroachment of that week. Price kind of took support from there and now hanging around that weekly order block. This order block, daily chart. Here you can see that here is the weekly candles week and consequent encroachment, and this is the volume imbalance. And we talked about this in my previous videos that my objective was this volume imbalance, and we reached it very nicely. And after that, price dipped down to this fair value gap, daily fair value gap, and broke this high now. So if price goes far from here, then my second view would be this breaker, daily breaker, higher high, is flat down close candle, extend that out. This is the breaker. That would be my next objective if market goes further, because market taking support from this volume imbalance now. We'll go down to a 60-minute chart. There is a 60-minute chart. So this week's price opened, dipped down to this 15-minute fair value gap. As I told you guys, it would go for this volume imbalance, and we reached that at Tuesday. After that, price gradually came down, made a high at the previous volume imbalance. See, watch here guys, how perfect is that, how perfectly it took support from here. Okay, then short rallied from here and hang around here till the Friday, and Friday's price action kind of range bound. You didn't see any nice moves here. So if price respect this, then price can come down. But if price took support from here, break this high, then it would, in my perspective, it would be bullish for me. USDT weekly chart. So USDT, this week's price was bearish. Daily chart. Yeah. So USDT, what USDT did this week? USDT came down deep in discount and hang around this breaker, high, low, higher, sorry, low, high, lower, low. This up close candle, extend that up close candles high. See how perfectly it respected that. So if price fail this breaker and took and go down to this fair value gap, and take this high lows, then it would be very bearish for me in currencies. Of For now, I would like to see price took support from here, from this daily order block. This daily order block, this daily bearish order block, I would like to see the next week's price go up, touch that, and then come. If DXA goes up, hourly chart. So here's the hourly chart, and this red level is that daily order block. We don't need that for now. So now I'm going to show you this week's price. So this week price opened, took this highs and went down. Again it took out liquidity at Thursday. It made another high and then came down to this inversion fair value gap. See, this is the inversion daily fair value gap. It's not like an inversion fair value gap. It's kind of ICT Reaper inversion fair value gap also. See this high and this week's high. Okay, this week's low and this week's high. This gap, price came down to this level and it failed to go down to this fair value gap. So price now hanging around this level. I'd like to see price actually go down, because price now respecting these levels I made on my chart. This level, this is actually a fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. Show no, see, here is that fair value gap. This was that fair value gap. Okay, extended through time, and watch how perfectly price respecting it. GBP USDT weekly chart. GBP USDT weekly chart. Nothing clear in this weekly chart. We'd go to a daily chart. Once clear on this chart now. So this week price couldn't actually make to this breakers high, but it came up to this candles week's consequent encroachment. You could see it. This is the consequent encroachment of this week, daily candles week, and it went up to this fair value gap's consequent encroachment also. Okay, this fair value gap. Hourly chart. So hourly chart, price is now hanging around this fair value gap, this one. Let me draw it. This one. So let's see the next week's opening. What next week's opening? So let's see the next week's opening. Let's see what market does. We'll wait. But for me, I think now DXY has changed it here and could go higher. And I would like to show you one more thing, guys, for this week. Uh, I go to a 4-hour chart. Okay, we had an amazing opportunity to go short on currencies. I'll show you. So this is the DXY chart. Okay, this one is Euro USDT and this one is GBP USDT. So look closely on DXY chart. We made a higher high this week, and so as we made this higher high, we would like to see lower lows on other foreign currencies. But look closely. So when we made higher high here, price failed to meet a lower low here. So this one was actually a liquidity sweep, and we could go short on USDT. This was distribution. Okay, we could go short on USDT because it was more bearish than GPUSDT. So this one was a great opportunity for everybody. Price took support from it, then rally, and also happened here the same situation here. This relative equals highs has been taken out and also made that lower low, and price went down. So guys, that's for today's video, and I'll post another update after this week, or maybe I could upload another video, another strategy video. That would be. So till then, be safe and safe trading.